Listen, we're wearing all the comfy shit this year, okay? And you're gonna start preparing now, and you're gonna order yourself oversized, okay? Large, even though I'm a medium. And look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cozy. So cozy. Like, give me 10 more. I could 100% live in this. Oh my gosh. I freaking love this sweatshirt. Okay, so I need more. And you definitely need to try it because it's about to be cozy season. And we are gonna be cute and cozy, and this is how you're gonna do it. I literally love this. Love this hoodie. You will too.